Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah narrates that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu would narrate that a man visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. During the night in dream, I saw an umbrella from which ghee and honey were dripping down. I then saw people taking it in their hands. Some were gathering more while some lesser. I then beheld a rope hanging from the heaven down to the earth and saw you, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that you held it and climbed up. Thereafter another man held it and went up. After that another man clasped it and ascended. Then another man clutched it, but it broke and then got joined. Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu thereupon submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my father be sacrificed for you. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, permit me to conjure it. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, interpret it. He thereupon said, the umbrella represents Islam, and the ghee and the honey dripping from it symbolize the Quran and its sweetness. So someone is getting more, whereas someone is getting less of it. The rope hanging from the heaven down to the earth is the truth on which you are, and you are holding it as well. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will raise you up. After you, another man will hold it, and he will also be raised up. Then the third man will clutch it, and he will also be lifted up. Thereafter, the fourth man will hold it, and it will break. It will then be joined, and he will also rise up through it. Tell me, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my father be sacrificed for you, whether I have told right or wrong. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, some points are right, whereas some are wrong. He submitted, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, you must tell me those points where I have committed mistakes. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, don't adjure by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7046.